Hi, today you will be making your own Google drawing. You'll be starting from Google Classroom. Once you've gotten to this point, you should have opened the assignment. You're watching this video. When you're done watching this video, you're going to go down here and click on the Create button. And then it gives you 4 choices. The very bottom one is drawings. That's what we're doing today. It will take a moment to create that, and if you see anything like this, you're just going to click the X or got it and ignore that. We are going to click right here. It should say your name and Intro to Google Drawings, and there's a blank document here. You're going to click on that, and then it's going to open your drawing page. So you have a lot of different choices here. You'll see more choices as you go along. This is the line tool. You use this to draw lines. So there's regular lines, arrows, and different kinds of connectors. If you want to do like freehand drawing, then you choose the scribble tool, and then you can do things like write your name in cursive, like that. It doesn't look super pretty, but you can do that. And then I'm going to push the undo button and get rid of those lines. If you choose the straight line tool, then it's going to make only straight lines, which might be useful. And you can connect those lines. Once you've made those, you can also change the line color or the thickness of the line. That's called line weight. Or the kind of line, you can make it a dashed line. So let's see here. I have this is highlighted blue. If I want to highlight the other ones, I'm going to shift and click. Oh, that didn't work. You'll be experimenting with this a little bit, but once you have these lines on here, you can also change the colors of the lines. So like if I draw this line, then I can change the color of it. If I want to go back and change the other ones, then I have to click on the arrow tool, which is the select tool, and then I click on this line and change the color, and click on this line and change the color, and you get the idea. Then you have the shape tool. So there's different kinds of shapes here, everything from your basic circle, square, triangle, etc., to smiley faces and hearts that you can use. You just click and drag to make the shape as big or as small as you want it, and then again you can change the colors. This one changes the color on the inside, that's the fill color. This one changes the color of the line on the outside. Then we have the text box tool. So if I click on that and then click and drag to make a rectangle, then I have a box where I can type things. My name is Mrs. McDade, and I can change colors and stuff on that too. This is the border color, the fill color. Over here is the text color. I can change that. And I can change the size. So a lot of this is like what you would do on Google Docs too. It's just in a different place. And then over here, this is the image tool. So if I wanted to, I could click on here and I can search for images like I would on Google Docs. I can take a snapshot or a selfie if your camera works. And if you had any pictures on Google Drive, you could put them in too. So you have a bunch of different choices to make drawings. You can make drawings that are about something in particular. So you could make one that is about video games. You could put in some text boxes and pictures and tell people about your favorite video game. You could make one about yourself and what you like, things that you like. Or you can just experiment with this and see what kinds of things you can do. So now it's your turn. You're going to get out of this video and create your own Google drawing.